What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest, Lipstick Nick's in the building.
Hello， 大家好。今日咧就係想做一個 I try follow 乜乜乜乜乜 makeup 嘅 video 啦。咁我之前都有喺 IG 問過大家想我跟邊一個 YouTuber 去拍呢條片啦。咁大部分人咧都係揀咗 Jeffree Star 或者 Pony 嘅。咁 Pony 啲妝當然好靚啦。咁但係咧我又覺得如果我跟佢拍一個 video 個娛樂性好似唔係咁大，所以我就揀咗 Jeffree Star 啦。同埋最緊要咧，我係啱啱收到佢呢個 Blush Sugar Palette， 咁我就覺得可以喺今個 video 用埋佢啦。好緊張，呢個 video 應該真係有啲難嘅，因為佢嗰個妝咧，我係未化過呢啲妝啦，未幫人化過，亦都未自己化過啦。同埋佢係有個專化呢啲妝嘅 makeup artist 幫佢化呢個妝啦。雲呢娜聽到我講嘢就走咗出嚟啦。咁咧我就要自己試下可唔可以化一個咁 creative 嘅妝啦。同埋 Jeffree Star 個樣咧，其實同我係好唔同啦。一嚟佢係外國人啦，二嚟佢個面嘅輪廓係非常之咁突出，咁我就好明顯係扁嘅咁樣啦。咁大家就一齊陪我玩今次嘅化妝品啦。我哋開始。咁其實 Jeffree Star 咧佢就冇眼眉毛嘅，我都有諗過好唔好為呢個 video 剃咗啲眼眉毛啦，但係唔知要生幾耐先生得出嚟，咁所以我輕輕揾遮瑕膏遮咗少少啦。咁你見到我條眉咧，其實都本身啲眉毛都係好淺色，咁就所以應該唔係好大影響啩。咁咧上呢個妝之前咧，我就會搽少少 eye primer 啦，因為要去黐實啲眼影啦，因為呢個都係一個好濃妝嘅眼妝嚟嘅，上下都要搽。今次真係因為要搽好多顏色上隻眼度，盡量搽到佢上眉骨。其實咧，為咗 set up 呢個紅色佈景板咧，同埋為咗唔好俾個日光影響啦，我搞咗好耐先開始拍啦，因為 set 住啲燈喺度啦。但係我唔知會唔會太光或者唔夠靚啦，所以希望大家中意今次呢個 set up 啦。
Alright, so if you guys want to see how we did this crazy magic, thank you for watching. The first shade you dipped into was Sweetener.
Sweetener, yep, all over your lid.
Alright, yay.
Yeah.
Let's dive in.
So what I do with every metallic shade is I'll spray a little bit of Fix Plus on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna lay a little bit of this down.
Wow， 哇好靚喎！加 Fix Plus 係近乎 dual chrome 嘅喎，係橙色同紅色咁樣好似。
Now, of course, you don't have to. The shade by itself is great, but if you want this extra really rich metallic, love a little Fix Plus or setting spray.
Wow.
Does that look cute?
Yeah.
I wanted a shade that I really didn't see in a lot of palettes, just something different. Alright, now Nicole's gonna cut the crease, and she uses liquid lips a lot, which I live for. So we're gonna use shade Problematic.
We're gonna cut your crease, and then we're gonna pick it up.
Also use some red rum.
Some red rum, yeah. We might mix it a little bit.
Classic red.
我揾到啦，最殘嗰個紙盒就係佢啦。你睇下有啲新啲嗰啲係咁樣噶嘛啲盒，但係呢一個已經係殘到爆。其實呢個步驟我有啲驚嘅，因為我係好少化 cut crease 啦，同埋我唔知我 cut 邊個位啊，佢係 cut 喺呢一個好高嗰個位嘅，佢個眉骨好突啊。咁我唔知，我盡量啦，或者我揾個淺啲嘅粉紅色起一個稿先，即係可能我揾呢一個或者呢一個色起一個稿先 cut 落去啦。
I love watching Nicole do this part. Cut it, cut it, you need to cut it.
因為我想 make sure 嗰個 cut crease 嗰個位咧係夠闊啦，如果唔係咧就未必化到佢之後嗰啲嘢。佢咧個 crease 咧就直情係凹咗落嚟到眼尾嘅，但係我唔知我應該喺邊度 end 嗰個 crease。我可以開始 cut 佢個 crease 啦。啊，好驚啊！咁呢個 step 咧，我會用啲 cheap 啲嘅淘寶掃咧，我唔想整到我啲貴啲嘅掃係污糟晒或者食咗啲色落去啦。好。
So you're blending out with the brush that had no product on it, right?
Yeah, so I'm taking a dry brush with no product on it, and I'm just blending out the Problematic a little bit
lip
up onto the brow bone. This will give me a really nice base for when I start blending all the shadows.
You better blend. Alright, so now what's next?
Next, we're gonna use cherry soda.
Okay.
We're gonna do this all over your brow bone, and it's kind of gonna be like the middleman in between tongue pop and extraction.
Beautiful. Yay. And we're doing no brows today, everyone. We're gonna have full alien moment. I feel like cherry soda matches your hair.
It does. It totally does. I remember at the photo shoot, we didn't know if we were gonna do brows either.
We just went for it.
We just went for it.
我決定將佢掃上啲，同埋我個眉咧係冇搽到 eyeshadow primer，所以覺得嗰啲 eyeshadow 好似唔係好黐住個位。
And before I take it up too high, I'm gonna take a little bit of tongue pop.
Just blend her down.
Yep.
Up, I mean.
Blend her up and down.
Ooh, now you're taking some glucose.
Taking a little bit of glucose and just using that right at the top here.
Now this is like a straight up pure matte white, which I used to do all over my entire, like, whole entire lid and face almost back in the day.
Is your highlight,
Yeah.
your setting powder.
That was my setting powder. Oh shit.
Now we will go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more.
我睇唔到自己係化咗啲咩啊？可能我真係要將呢楷嘅移上去條眉上面，會唔會好啲咧？
Ooh, love it. Are we dipping into extraction?
We're gonna dip into extraction. So
Okay.
we're just gonna enhance the cut crease right there. So we're gonna make it a little bit darker.
Body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.
Nicole is blending to fill. Ooh, it's coming together. What's next?
Coming together. We're gonna take a little bit more of glucose.
Okay.
So we're gonna build underneath your eye now.
Ooh, okay.
And we're gonna pack this right here in the front. Holy shit.
She has
It
pigment.
is so white.
Ooh, girl, I love that.
Now we're gonna cut your bottom crease.
Yeah, so that's where we're using our rum. I actually forgot, you guys, mid-tutorial, we're like, where did we put the red rum liquid lip?
Yeah.
So it's under.
Well, we also did this shoot like a couple weeks ago, so I
forgot.
Like, yeah, pretty.
咁下面呢個 crease 我都係未 cut 過，我都唔知會 cut 成點啊！但係而家我算啦，唔緊要啦，既然條眉都成條腸咁啦。
I'm gonna go right underneath that white shadow.
咁咧，我都係要 mark 咗先嘅，因為我費事個位咧太 off 啦，因為我未 cut 過，唔知 cut 咗去邊，度下個位先真係。我支 red rum 咧其實已經真係太舊啦，佢好結啦，已經變咗啊！我照用啦，即係唔好懟落隻眼度，應該就 OK 嘅。
Actually, before it dries all the way, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. So now, right here at the base, I'm gonna take a little bit of Coma,
The darkest shade in the palette.
darkest shade in the palette. I'm gonna set this.
You guys hear a dog barking? It's Drama downstairs yelling her head off. She's in full play mode.
Next, we're gonna take some Root Canal.
Ooh, okay.
This is one of my favorite colors in this palette. I'm gonna buff this out right underneath Coma.
〜睇到呢度咧，我發現好鉗嘅一樣嘢咧，就係佢咧個上面個 crease 係連到落嚟下面嘅，因為佢個眉骨呢度好突啦，同埋佢個眼型係好凹嘅，咁就所以一路落到嚟呢度。咁但係咧，我就畫到好出，我唔知點好啊。咁一路化住先啦，一陣可能遲啲再 touch up 翻睇下點樣補救啦嗰個位。
We're gonna dip into Prick, which is a shade over here. It's like this really beautiful bright orange.
It's nuts.
I'm gonna put this right under here,
Ooh, okay.
right in the front, just a little bit.
Just for some detailing.
Mm-hmm.
呢邊真係化得靚啲，呢邊係可能我化呢邊先啦，所以核突嘅嘢全部喺晒呢邊啦，咁呢邊就自己可以再慢慢就到啦。
Eyeliner next.
All right, eyeliner. Liquid? Yep, we got liquid.
Yeah, we're gonna do the favorite Tom Ford.
哇！佢已經話 eyeliner 啦，唔得啦，我要搞一搞呢一卡嘢，諗下呢條紫菜可以點搞先。要揾翻呢一個啦，紫色嘅 liquid lipstick， 畫翻呢一個落嚟，眼尾連住 ，feel 到出事咯，好似。哇！變咗畫咗心形喺隻眼度好似。咁我照翻上面嗰度開始 blend 啦，死啦！係咁拍咗20分鐘，好似自己影拍咗啲咩 cherry soda 啊嘛係嘛？卡翻。好啦，大家唔好 judge 我嘅 blending 啦，因為我已經係放棄治療嘅狀態，即係我淨係想個 shape 係做翻好啲嘅 blending， 我已經係唔理啦。extraction 喺個加深咗個 crease 嘅 extraction。外面呢個 video 太長啦，化埋呢邊就翻嚟啦，然後翻嚟我哋就可以畫眼線㗎啦。
This is my favorite.
The best. If you guys have never tried this, it's a little pricey, but it's so good. It's dual-ended, so it has like a finer point for detailing and then a bigger point. And it's just like, it's quick.
It is so fast. We're gonna finish up the eyeliner, so I'm gonna pull this in to to a little point right in here,
I
right
love
in
that.
between
Okay.
glucose and sweetener.
Let me hold my breath. Alright, it's almost time for lashes, so I'm gonna quickly pop in some contacts before my eyes get crazy and we do all the glue, so I will be right back. Contact lenses are in. First of all, look at these short nails, girl. Don't judge me. Okay, so I am going to quickly do mascara and liner. Now, I prefer to do this on myself no matter who does my makeup, so I'm going to do the MAC Cosmetics Fascinating White and Smolder with, of course, the iconic Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash. Be right back.
好啦，咁我而家搽咗 mascara 同埋畫咗眼線先翻嚟啦。
We got liner, mascara on, and now it's time for some lashes, my favorite part. I think, like, this is one of Nicole's signature moments. It's just cutting up lashes and slaying the face.
Well, we're gonna start with bottom lashes.
Okay, so you're putting that...
Right where we started that shadow line. So it's actually underneath your real lashes.
Damn, these feel like... I love it. Like little butterflies are
like-
caressing my cheeks.
You can feel them tickling.
Alright, what are we doing next?
We're gonna do top lash. We're gonna use Crazed by Flutter.
Okay.
我揾緊邊一對係最勁啦，或者黐呢一個啦，呢一個其實我未用過，因為真係太浮誇，叫做 T 多 O。希望黐完啲眼睫毛之後咧，我樣冇咁癲啦，而家真係好癲。嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！
Alright, let's pop this lash.
So we're gonna layer a 301, a big crazy lash. I'm gonna cut it in half
Okay.
and use the shorter half at the end.
其實我有兩 pair 再誇張啲嘅眼睫毛，但係我唔知啱唔啱用啊，因為真係浮誇得滯。喺我嗰陣時啱啱開始學化妝，覺得咩都對自己有用嘅時候買㗎啦，就係咁樣。即係一 pair 係好似蜘蛛腳咁咧，一 pair 就好似成把線咁啦。成把線呢個就真係未必用到啊，因為好怪。咁呢個蜘蛛腳咧都尚且可以拎佢出嚟試下啦。點解會似係蜘蛛腳咁樣喎？咁或者我將佢剪開一半，睇下黐上去會點先。其實都未必啱用，但係我又唔想剪開我啲貴嘅眼睫毛。嗱，剪開咗一半就係咁啦，都好大塊嘢。試下晾上去睇下咩環境先。應該唔得啦，應該勁得滯啦！呢一個真係唔知咩時候先可以用到 ，Halloween 都唔會用啲咁長嘅眼睫毛啦，除非你係扮嗰啲。我唔知點解嗰陣時會買埋啲咁嘅嘢。或者可以咁樣喎。好啦 ，anyway， 咁我哋或者 skip 咗呢個 step 去啦。而家咁樣其實已經都好爆噶啦。咁其實咧之後佢已經開始搽 highlight 嗰啲嘢啦，咁但係我就仲未 contour 塊面嘅。你見到我塊面而家都仲係包包地嘅。都幾叻喎！可能搽咗好多 liquid lipstick 喺個底度先上嗰啲 eyeshadow， 所以就冇乜 fall out。但係咧我就會上一上碎粉先，咁我就會用 Charlotte Tilbury 呢一個 micro powder 啦。咁我用嘅係1號色。呢個數咧好多人成日都問我，呢個數係 Sigma 嘅 F25號數。咁就輕輕上啲碎粉先，塊面粒粒地嘅，因為我都拍咗好耐啦，坐咗喺度。跟住我就會用 Marc Jacob 呢個 Instant Matte 嘅 bronzer 啦。咁佢係兩個顏色咁樣嘅，咁可以重手啲咧，因為你見到隻眼個妝咧都係好強勁。contour埋個鼻啦。有少少睇唔清楚嘢，因為又有 con 啦，又有好多眼睫毛喺度好重。咁我諗住用個少少嘅遮瑕膏啦，呢個係 NARS 嘅 Soft Matte Concealer， 顏色係 Vanilla， 輕輕 highlight 翻個鼻中間呢個位，因為頭先個 contour 好似搽得太埋。
Alright, so now we're gonna dip into the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette in shade Sarcophagus.
I love this shade.
咁由於我冇佢個 highlighting palette 啦，咁就所以我會用翻呢個 Anastasia 嘅 Amrezy highlight， 同佢用嗰個色都係差唔多，少少金金地。
I can hear better. I love a highlighted ear. All right, it's time for lips.
Lips,
And what are
last
we gonna
step.
do today?
Well, today we're going to use Romeo and I'm Nude, but on the shoot day, I think we just did I'm Nude.
Yes, in the picture.
So, in the picture. It's going to be kind of an ombre lip.
我就冇買嗰個粉紅色嘅 Romeo 啦，然後我就揾咗 Diva 啦，睇下將唔將佢哋 mix 埋一齊先。
Before Nicole does my lipstick, since we are going to be using liquid lips today, I am going to do a lip scrub to make sure I am nice, smooth, and ready.
我就唔諗住做 lip scrub 啦，因為化好晒個妝，唔想整到勁污糟，周圍都係糖咁啦，所以我就咁搽個唇膏算啦。呢個係 Diva 啦，唔知個顏色會唔會唔襯呢？咁你見到咧 Diva 係淺色啲啦 ，Prom Night 係深色啲，所以我就應該會用 Prom Night 啦，搽上去應該唔係話超級大分別嘅啫，我估。
Such a good tip too to use a brush if you guys want a full real ombre. I love using a brush. Alright, now for setting spray, we're gonna use a little Scandinavia. This is the bridal makeup finishing spray.
咁我唔係 bridal 啦，我亦都冇佢嗰個 Scandinavia 嘅 setting spray 啦，所以我就用翻
Alright.
Nice. Bride to be.
最近真係好 enjoy 用呢個 Fix Plus，我覺得好舒服，我聞到個味咧，同埋佢喺我塊面度真係好舒服，我覺得。
This is a good look for like when the priest is like, does anyone object? And I burst in the room looking like this, like I do. We're done, you guys. This is almost, well, we need some hair on.
Yeah.
Because I look like a bald bitch right now. But I think red to match Nicole. I'm having a red
let's do it.
moment.
Let's have a moment.
咁呢個妝就化完啦，我諗緊我係咪真係要戴個假髮咧？因為而家我個頭髮好似太過自然啦，即係太過正常啦，用咗呢個妝，咁我揾一揾有冇假髮先。係啦，咁你見到我冇戴假髮啦，其實我有揾到假髮嘅，不過我啲假髮咧就同我件衫加埋個 backdrop 就撞到嘭嘭聲，啲色勁奇怪啦，咁所以我就咁放翻啲頭髮落嚟啦，同埋戴咗個頭飾咁樣就睇落好似冇咁奇怪咯。如果唔戴個頭飾咧，就仲更加奇怪嘅，因為呢個妝實在太爆啦，要有少少 accessory 去襯托佢嘅。係啦，咁今日咧呢一個 I try following a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial 咧就拍完啦。啊，好彩而家搞掂晒咧，都唔算話太恐怖啫個樣。本身淨係搽咗上面嗰兩笪粉紅色嘅時候咧，我都有啲嚇親嘅，因為個樣真係好似貼咗兩塊粉紅色嘅紫菜定唔知乜嘢喺個眉上面咁啦，真係好奇怪。咁今次呢個 video 咧，最主要咧都係娛樂大家啦，同埋俾我自己試下呢一個 Blush Sugar Palette 啦。咁我對自己今次呢個妝咧就覺得係合格啦，未算係話哇好靚啦，咁但係合格嘅，因為我真係未化過呢一類嘅妝，同埋我同 Jeffree Star 個樣個輪廓都實在爭好遠嘅。咁如果大家中意今次呢個 video 或者中意我今次呢個化妝啊，即係各樣嘢啊，都可以俾個 like 我啦。又或者你哋有啲咩 comments 都可以話俾我聽啦。咁其實咧，我最初叫大家喺 IG 投票嘅時候咧，我有俾咗幾個你哋揀嘅。有 Jacqueline Hill 啦、Nikki Tutorial 啦，同埋 Desi Perkin 嘅。咁 Desi 咧都有幾個人揀嘅，但係 Jacqueline Hill 咧係一個都冇咯，我都唔明點解。我以為好多人都中意睇佢添，又或者可能想我試下佢嗰啲 look 啊咁樣。咁但係就一個都冇人揀過，好奇怪。咁係咯。呢個 video 就嚟到呢一度啦，大家快啲俾個 like 我啦！化呢個妝化得好辛苦啊，同埋我覺得你哋都應該喺度笑我笑得好開心啊，因為我頭先個樣實在太騎呢啦。咁今個 video 咧就係咁多啦，希望娛樂到大家，同埋希望大家 appreciate 我呢個 effort 啦。咁如果大家睇到有啲咩其他古靈精怪嘅 look 或者覺得幾靚嘅 look 想我試咧，都可以留個 comment 話俾我聽啦。咁我可能咧遲啲就可以做多啲嗰類型嘅 video 啦。因為其實有時拍粉底測試咧都拍到好悶㗎，所以咧我就想拍多啲妝片，始終我係最中意化妝啊嘛。我越講越離題添，我要 end 咗呢個 video 開始執嘢啦，因為呢度咧成個地下都係鋪滿晒我啲化妝品，頭先為咗攞嘢快快脆脆咁就周圍 hea 周圍都係啦，所以我要講拜拜啦，我要執嘢啦，下次再見啦，拜拜。同埋咧。我用緊呢個係 Mannequin 啊，但我覺得其實咁樣順眼好多。好啦，真係要，拜拜啦。